guys, part 1 of how to make a shooter game in Scratch. So open Scratch and go to my stuff, and we will be creating a new project. The new project will be a shooter game. You can now choose whatever sprite you want to shoot. Bug. Yes. Oh yes, that was what I was looking for. You can now make how many bugs you want. I will just make 3 bugs for now. And in part 2, we will be making new levels. So now we want a thing to shoot. You can now make it 45 so that it won't be that big. Now you have to make so much costumes actually. So let's make it. Let's make the rocket ship size 100 or maybe size 70. Okay. Okay, now 7, then the last part is 8, and then see now it's touching the beat. Nice. Now we made how many costumes we made? We made 10 costumes, so we wanted this to repeat 10 times. So when the flag clicked, space key, press repeat 10 times. Actually repeat 9 times. Because next. Now let's test this. And then when the flag clicked, we wanted to set it to our original costume. Ship rocket it. See, now it's going like this. But we don't want to add it forever, or else it will keep going. A forever loop will make it go like that forever. So we don't want that to happen. So take off the forever. And now you can see done. And now we want to send when the flag click forever if touching. So if it's touching rocket ship. But when the flag click, we always want it to show. Now you have this thing called backpack. Put this and this like that, and then go here and then place it like that and that, and then now you can now try this. Okay, but we can't move. That's the point. You can never move, and that's all we want to move, right? So one second. Let's place it like this. And we also want it to go in the position always. Okay, now you can see it always goes in this position. Now we want the rocket ship to move with right arrow and left arrow. Let's add a one up arrow key pressed. It needs to move up and go here and then just say we want a Y, so change Y by 10 and then right arrow and then we want it to move 10 steps and okay, nice. And then negative 10 will be left arrow because once you click left, you can see that everything just moves like this, not like right. Then it will be confused. Every time we want it to be in this position, so let's set it into this now. You can see nothing falls down on it. We want now to change Ladybug. So now we want if touching color. But now you can see that it just doesn't go back. So we want to now say, yeah, when the flag click forever, if touching, wait, Ladybug 4, okay, okay, so if touching Ladybug 3, then, if touching Ladybug 3, then, and let's say, one second, switch costume to rocket ship A. And now we wanted to say to every ladybug. So let's say then there's no 2, so we need a 2. Okay, this is mistake. Let's clean it up. Okay, now we can try this and then set the position here because then it will work a little bit. Yeah, it will work. Of what the? Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, now we'll be making all of the ladybugs go down with forever. If I click forever, if touching edge, then we wanted to switch the costume to the normal costume. When flag click, we always want forever change Y by negative 10 because we want it to go down. Now add a forever because we want it forever go down. Place this in the backpack and now put in every thing down. If touching edge. Now we want it to if touching edge. So if it's touching the down, everything is called the edge. But if it's touching this down edge, then it will go to its normal position and then it will go down again. Now let's try it. We are going to be making new levels in part 2. So this is all for it. So bye.